Hi students, welcome to Knowledge Platform's Mathematics video series. In this video, we will learn how to solve equations of the type ax raised to the power 4 plus bx squared plus c equals 0 by reducing to quadratic form. Before we actually solve this equation, let's look at it in greater detail. The first observation is that the highest power is 4. X cubed and the linear terms are missing. The next observation is that, in general, an equation raised to the power of n would have n roots. Therefore, we expect this equation to have 4 roots since the highest power is 4. Let us now see how we can solve it. When presented with such an equation, the best way to solve would be to reduce it to a quadratic equation, which by now we are very familiar with. To reduce it to a quadratic equation, we use a technique which is called substitution. Here, we shall use the following substitution. X squared equals y. When we do that, our equation reduces to this. Basically, x raised to the power 4 has been reduced to y squared, and x squared has been reduced to y. Since c is a constant, it will not be affected. The resulting equation is ay squared plus by plus c, which is the standard form of a quadratic equation. Do not be confused by the variables. We can use any other notation that we prefer. Our equation will still reduce to a quadratic equation. We can then solve this quadratic equation using the techniques that we have learned previously. Do you think we will end up with a quadratic equation if either the linear term or the x cubed term exists? Try it out yourself. Now let us illustrate this with an example. Shall we try to solve this equation together? In step 1, we define the substitution that we want to use, which in this example is going to be x squared equals y. In step 2, we carry out the substitution, which leaves us with 2y squared minus 9y plus 4 equals 0. If your step 2 does not leave you with a quadratic equation, go back to the first step and redefine your substitution. In step 3, we solve the resulting quadratic equation. Can you spend a few seconds to try to solve this quadratic equation? If you have done correctly, this expression can be factorized into 2y minus 1 times y minus 4 like this, giving the following solution set. Now, be mindful that we have not yet reached the end of our solution, because eventually we need to find values for x, not y. Therefore, in the final step, we refer back to the substitution step to determine the values of x. Now, this is our solution set for y, half and 4. And our substitution step was x squared equals y. That means that x squared can be either equal to half or equal to 4. If x squared equals half, that means that x would be equal to plus minus 1 over square root 2. Always remember to have the plus minus sign when taking square root of a number. For the other case, when x squared is equal to 4, our x is simply plus minus 2. Therefore, our solution set is going to be plus minus 1 over square root 2 and plus minus 2.